Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Motors, and make sure to subscribe to MK Motors for the latest automotive reviews and updates. Today we bring you an exclusive review of the 2026 Mercedes G900 Mansory, a masterpiece of performance, design and luxury. This SUV is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of power and elegance, combining the iconic Mercedes G-Class DNA with Mansory's world-renowned customization expertise. The G900 Mansory is engineered for those who want unmatched performance and a commanding presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes G900 Mansory features a handcrafted 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine tuned by Mansory to deliver an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,200 Nm of torque. This immense power allows the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.5 seconds, which is remarkable for such a large and rugged vehicle. The top speed has been electronically limited to 250 km/h, ensuring optimal stability and safety at high speeds. The engine is paired with a highly responsive 9-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive system, making it capable on both city roads and extreme terrains. The exterior design is nothing short of breathtaking. Mansory has given the G900 a complete aerodynamic makeover with an aggressive front fascia, a redesigned carbon fiber hood, extended wheel arches and massive 24-inch forged alloy wheels. The SUV also features a custom roof spoiler and quad exhaust setup at the rear, giving it a sportier and more dynamic look. LED matrix headlights and taillights enhance visibility while adding a touch of futuristic appeal. The body is finished in Mansory's signature paint options, allowing buyers to customize their G900 to match their personal style. Step inside and you are welcomed by a cabin that redefines luxury. The interior is crafted using the finest leather, alcantara and carbon fiber accents. Every detail from the hand-stitched seats to the illuminated Mansory logos exudes exclusivity. The SUV comes with a fully digital cockpit featuring a 12.3-inch infotainment display integrated with the latest MBUX system, including voice control, navigation and smartphone connectivity. A premium Burmester 3D surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, while the ambient lighting offers 64 customizable colors for a personalized atmosphere. In terms of technology and safety, the 2026 Mercedes G900 Mansory is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system and automated parking assistance. Off-road capabilities remain top tier thanks to adjustable suspension settings, locking differentials and superior ground clearance, ensuring the G900 can handle rocky paths, mud, snow and sand with ease. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes G900 Mansory is the ultimate blend of power, luxury and exclusivity. It is built for those who demand the best in performance while enjoying unmatched comfort and style. With its bold design, immense power and cutting-edge features, this SUV STA